Crescendo BC4Ks, 1 ohm each, gain match, DD1, all that. 2 25 amp hour limitless lithium on just a 250 amp JS.
Okay. And you said this is 225s?
Yep, just 50 amp hours total.
Okay. Who built the box?
Zachary Tyler.
Okay. Do you know the specs on it at all?
9.9 after displacement and everything. Tuned to 27 and 12 net, 12 cubes net.
Looks really good.
Yeah, he did a hell of a job on it.
You've done some cabin work too. Did you dynamat the roof too yet, or just the back?
Nothing is done to the roof.
Really?
I'm about to wall it.
Okay.
I'm about to do a 6th order.
Yeah.
And I'm just not going. I have to take all this out just to get the headliner out, so I'm not going to do it twice.
Yes, sir. There you go. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey, what's going on, man? It's Jacob.
What's up, man? Brett. Team Hurts Feelings.
Are you not happy with it?
I have nowhere near enough port area.
Oh, okay, so the small port area is not helping?
Yeah, it's not what I want. I want to be I'm trying to float a backpack.
Oh, so once you lower, probably wall it.
Once I wall it, it's going to be a low ratio wall.
So you're not happy with it yet?
I'm happy. No, I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's all you can be. You can be happy with it. But you know, as basic, we always want more.
Yes, sir.
And I'm chasing wind right now.
You are? Yes, sir.
I hit my 50. I want a 50 under 25.
Awesome. Well, you'll get there, man. Yes, sir. Can I see your alternator?
Yeah.
Sorry. Try to see everything.
Right now.
To the back?
Yeah, 1 run to the back. Okay. Just a JS 250. I have a PCM bypass. I can control my voltage up and down.
Your voltage still did pretty good. I mean, mid-13s. That was good.
I didn't see that.
It dropped to mid-13s one time. When you were clipping, yeah. Anyway, thank you, man. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a James system. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown, Savannah, Georgia area show last year, 2022. Be sure to hit the like and comment what you like about a system. Pretty impressive to see two 18s fit behind the back seat. May not be the most optimal size port area or box, but it got the job done, and it was actually played really low. You're going to see a solid hair trick inside the vehicle and outside. Pretty windy system. So I like the box layout. Of course, it could have been a little more optimal about a space. Maybe even build the box all the way from the depth from right of the driver to the left of the passenger. That would give you a little bit more cubic space, probably more port area, but it's a work in progress build, and of course he's going to be upgrading. So two of these 4000s, I didn't see if they were gain matched or strapped, but really powerful amps, and I'm pretty sure he had each of them at 1 ohm on each of these subs. And of course this port area is more likely to work for probably two 12s, maybe two 15s, so definitely squeezing the subwoofers from not getting the optimal amount of airflow and pressure containment. And this is the sub specs I was curious of. These are the resilient 2000 watt RMS Platinum Series 18-inch subs. Really beefy subs for the specs. And of course, this is a total of 8,000 watts on these 18s we're getting to the demo. Looked like it had an extended cab truck and maybe even a full crew cab. He took out his back seat to fit his system in here. So unique style. Shout out to him. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day and enjoy.
Restart it. Yeah. What happens when you break the mounts?
Oh yeah, everything will break. Yeah.
This thing's just.
Is it a USB pop or is it blue?
Well, the damn thing came out.
Oh, okay.
Shaking too damn much.
Yeah.
You know if Y-base is gonna be here?
I have no idea. Probably. I wouldn't.
I need a new base. appreciate the demo. And it plays low, like pretty low. I guess the box tune helps you on the lows too.
Yes.
Or are you not happy with it?
I have nowhere near enough port area.
Sure. Thanks for the demo, man.
No
What was your name?
Rhett.
Rhett.
James Odom on
Okay.
Facebook.
All right. Yes, sir.